Strength and service, becoming who I was meant to be through work. I started running towards work and started listening to what it was teaching me. Every guest, every dollar, and every awkward silence became a training ground. I started to see how these roles sharpened my skills in patience, persuasion, and emotional intelligence. When someone's yelling and you stay calm, you've just practiced self mastery. When you guide a customer back to clarity, you're using leading energy, which also extends beyond normal conversation. When you uplift someone's day through your presence, you've just tapped into that that unseen influence, that spiritual work. I carry myself differently. I wasn't just taking out trash or folding towels, I was building my internal kingdom. I learned how to listen. I learned how to listen. I learned how to listen with my whole body, how to speak with intention, and how to move with quiet power, even in chaotic environments. It humbled me. I humbled me. I gave myself access to something most people miss, the ability to lead without a title and influence without needing the spotlight, and in a world obsessed with status and speed. These jobs taught me how to slow down and see through the surface. They taught me how to study people, how to read energy, and how to remain rooted when others lose their footing. This is strength disguised as service. Now I see every job differently. I understand that wherever I go, my energy is the product. I'm not here to really impress people. I'm here to embody something different. Authenticity. You have to live in it. For me, it started in places and doing jobs no one brags about. This is where I found my power, and that's where I started becoming the person I was meant to be. So, yeah, just reflecting on this, I started to see any kind of job I do as something glamorous. Now, I've kind of adopted the mantra where I love what I do and I enjoy what I do and I'm good where I'm at. At the same time, I want more. And I think that's a very good mentality to have because I've always, like we mentioned in the previous video, I started getting to this point where I'm looking at work as like, okay, this is the task I need to do and I'm going to do it to the best of my ability. And that energy doesn't go anywhere. This is something they teach you in elementary school. In those science classes, that energy isn't destroyed, it just transfers from one place to another. So even if you have like this job where like they bring out this sort of performance in you, you now know that you have that performance and you can bring that into other areas of your life. And that's something that I did today actually. Is like I busted my ass today at work. I understand this is someone else's company, even though I work at a publicly traded company right now. For the time being, like this is someone else's company. It doesn't have my last name on it. At the same time, I have other things that I'm working on. So it's like, okay, even though I'm helping this person do this, it's like I see it as like, me just helping someone out. And I take that energy and I move it throughout the rest of my day. And that's where we're at now. I'm doing my other thing where I'm, paying it forward with some YouTube videos, and yeah, it's just, self mastery. And I'm very grateful that like I'm looking at work this way because this is something I've always done. I've always tried my best at whatever I did. It's just now that I have a little bit more experience under my belt, I'm at the point now where I have a purpose to it. And so it's a beautiful thing, and I hope that that's something that I want for you also. Is I want you to, whatever job you're doing, I want you to love what you do so much that that love spills out into other areas of your life. And you don't have to be getting paid from it. You could be doing like stockbroker, or you could be doing a housemaking job where you stay home all day and you take care of the household. As long as what you're doing you're doing it to the best of your ability, and you do it with such intensity and with such love, and you put so much care into it, and you actually like, you know, put your all into it. I believe and I think that you can test this out for a day. Test it out for 30 days, a week. Test it out for some time. Test it out for like one day, 30 days, a week, 2 weeks. Test it out. And I think you'll find that your life will be drastically changed if you put your all into your work, or really into everything that you do, but like maybe try, one step at a time. Put your all into something for like, you can extrapolate this into other areas of life, what I was just, getting to. Put your all into something for like one day, a week, 2 weeks, 30 days. And then if you don't find any value in it, you can go back to your old life. But I don't think you'll want to do that. I think the jewels of life and the riches of life come from throwing yourself into everything that you do. Thank you.